So guys, we got a 2005 or 2006 BMW. What was it? 5. Let's see. 530 XI. And the complaint was it was hard to start. They also want thermostat replaced, and they had it towed in because it wouldn't start. Let's see. Hear that? Cranking. And it randomly stalled when I wanted to move it. Now come look at this. Let's pop the trunk. Take this out. This is the power of a visual inspection. So in the trunk, look at that terminal. Look at this one. It's upside down. It's literally upside down. It goes on this way. And what is that, for the battery monitor wire? I guess it's ripped out. The temperature. I don't know exactly what that one does. But yeah, that one's ripped out. But yeah, look at that. Both of them loose. I'm going to tighten that up and we'll see how quick this starts. I also didn't even notice this. So this one that goes to the fuse box. Look how loose that is. One thing was tight. Is it tight up there? Yeah, it seems to be tight up there. Top, but yeah, this is ridiculous. So guys, got these all tightened up. See, they're not going anywhere now. This one's all tight. Now let's see difference in the starting. I wonder if the battery's going dead. We may have to charge this. This might have... That time it started really fast. And everything's turning on. So guys, we're back with the BMW. Got my charger on here for a while in the trunk. Look at that, we're up to 13.6. So we'll turn this off, get this disconnected. We'll start it up and see what happens. See if this starts up better. There we go. That's slight hesitation. Definitely started up a lot better. And we have no more low current light, but everything else is probably on. But there you guys go. The power of a visual inspection.